Hello, and welcome back, everybody. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a simple timer in C++. So first, you have to include some libraries like IOStream for in and output. Then we need the library Windows.h. Then using names, space, e. Then can begin with the code itself, but tapping in main, like this. Then we can make an integer time. Then we can do this. So at the beginning of the program, you can just type in the time. Now int I equals 0, and as long as I is smaller than time, we increase it by 1. So this is a simple for loop that is going to count to the number that you typed in. And then it stops. Now you can do it like this. Emma minus. And now we can do cout hammer. Now we need to sleep 1000 because it's counting in milliseconds. And that's basically it. So if I say time is 10, it's gonna count down. Then you can do something like go countdown has expired. Do you want to continue? Then we can make a string is decision the in. And if it is yes, can say go to start. Also, we should then add start over here. It's return. Now, can say 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Your countdown has expired. Do you want to continue? Yes, I want to continue. Now can type 5, but then I could also now type yes and 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Your countdown has expired. Do you want to continue? 2, 1, 0. Then nope. because that's the time we said we're supposed to have. So now we can do this. Do it a bit at a time. Wait. Oh wait, let's see what it would do. 3, 2, 1, 0, -1. +1. So now, if you type 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. So this is the simple timer that I just wrote. Yeah, that's all you need. Hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and please consider leaving a like as well. And maybe share this video with a friend who also wants to know how to code.